Hey guys, so today I traded two stocks. Two stocks, NetApp and Seagate. I started with NetApp. NetApp on the daily level came down, it gapped down 15-minute. There's a start of this huge engulfing candlestick. It started to drop. You can see here that it sort of trended around this level, and then it broke through this SMA at the open. Just continued to drop, and then it sort of bounced back up, and this is sort of the area where I made an entry. So basically I took a short, I think initially 500 shares, and then I quickly added to it because I saw that on level 2 it was just collapsing. So at first I actually put in an order here, but it dropped so fast that I didn't have time for it to execute. So it ended up executing at this level, and then I added to it. It dropped, it covered, and then it sort of bounced back. So I went short, added to my position, covered on the way up. Then I covered some more here, and then I added to my position, and then I basically covered more here. I did cover some up at this level. I think I covered the last piece here, and then on the way it looked like I was getting it was dropping. I added to it, and I covered the remainder here. So that's sort of the way I played the stock. Is I basically, every time it made a bounce, I put a short, and then I just covered on the way down because the stock was very weak. You can see here it was trending along this EMA. Two SMAs were above it. Very good level of resistance on the top. So this is not going to let it pop up, although it is making doing a reversal right now. I think, yeah, it is. It's up at this level now, but that's why NTAP has taken. So the stock itself traded really nicely. The spread is like 1 or 2 cents. So I took a pretty sizable position on the stock, but I started out with a small size, like 500 shares or something. And then Seagate. So Seagate on the daily level, it dropped, but it was trading between these two levels, and then I took a short when it was very close to the SMA on top. 15-minute, it's actually, so it bounced back, and then it was very strong because remember it was close to that SMA on the 5-minute. Hit this level and then it got rejected. So on the 5-minute, I took a short. So that's what this looks like. So I took a short here. It dropped, and then I covered. I think I might have added. No, I didn't add. Okay, never mind. So I just took a short, 1,000 shares, I think, and then it dropped. I covered, and then the last piece. Did I get out? Hold on. 1 minute, it gets confusing sometimes. Yeah, last piece was here. Waited to see what happens. It hit this level, bounced back on the way down. I went short again, covered. And then I made the mistake of going short again. It bounced on me, so I waited through this consolidation period. This is where I got my $300 loss in. So I took the short, and then it basically just consolidated and started to pop up. So it tested this level, and I waited. I didn't get out here yet because I know that this is, remember, I said SMAs are good levels of resistance, so I know that this is a good level of resistance, or you can think of it as support, that this is going to push it back down. It did, but I didn't get out because it's above my, I didn't get out, but I didn't add to my position either because I know that this stock is starting to look strong. It's above 2 EMAs, it's trending along it, it's consolidated. This is a higher high, higher lows, and then everything looks like it's sloping upwards. So I waited, and then it just bounced up, tested this level again, and then now I'm thinking, okay, the slopes are angling upwards. Maybe this is gonna pop above. So I actually exited this position, took the loss, and then flipped my position, took I think 3,000 shares on the upside. And so as it popped, I started to scale out here. Got out the last piece as it looked like it was going to drop, and now it popped back up again. So now it made even higher highs. But for me, you know, $871, $77.10 in commissions and 55 tickets. That's good enough for me. So I'm happy with that. So that's fine. And you can't win them all. So.